Welcome to this step-by-step guide on setting up secure network connections using IPsec VPN on FortiGate via CLI. This presentation will walk you through the process to ensure your connections are protected. IPsec VPN securely connect remote networks over untrusted networks by encrypting and authenticating data traffic. The setup process involves prerequisites, topology planning, Phase 1 and Phase 2 VPN setup, firewall policies, routing, and verification. FortiOS CLI provides precise commands suitable for advanced and large-scale deployments. This guide is designed for both beginners and experienced administrators to understand and deploy functional IPsec tunnels. IPsec VPN configuration on FortiGate is efficiently managed through the CLI, offering clarity and control for administrators. Let's consider an example scenario. The local site uses WAN interface WAN 1 with subnet 119.168.1.0/24. The remote site has a peer public IP of 203.0.113.1 and subnet 10.10.0/24. The VPN type is interface-based IPsec using IKEv2 and a pre-shared key. We'll now walk through the configuration steps to establish an IPsec VPN on FortiGate using the CLIO. Phase 1 configuration establishes the VPN tunnel. Begin by editing the IPsec P1 interface, setting the outgoing interface to WAN 1 using IKEv2, accepting any peer, and specifying the remote gateway as 203.0.113.1. Set your pre-shared key, define the encryption and authentication proposal, Diffie-Hellman group, key lifetime, enable dead peer detection, and NAT traversal. Each command serves a specific purpose, such as naming the VPN interface, setting encryption, and ensuring tunnel reliability. Phase 2 configuration encrypts actual data traffic. Edit the IPsec P2 interface. Bind it to Phase 1. Set encryption and authentication proposals. Enable perfect forward secrecy. Define the Diffie-Hellman group, key lifetime, and specify the local and remote subnets. These settings ensure only traffic between defined internal and remote networks is protected by IPsec. Add a static route to tell FortiGate to use the VPN tunnel. Set the destination subnet as 10.10.0/24 and the device as IPsec P11. This directs traffic for the remote LAN through the VPN interface. Create firewall policies for LAN to IPsec and IPsec to LAN. Define the source and destination interfaces. Allow all addresses and services. Set the schedule to always enable traffic logging and disable NAT. These policies ensure traffic is permitted between the internal network and the VPN interface in both directions. For enhanced security, consider hardening your configuration. Review your firewall policy and static routing setup to ensure optimal protection. Disable weak algorithms by setting proposals to E100-256, SHA-256, and ES-256, SHA-384, and enabling replay protection. For verification and troubleshooting, use commands like get VPN IPsec tunnel summary, diagnose VPN tunnel list, and various debug commands to monitor and resolve issues. Before concluding, check that Phase 1 is up. Phase 2 selectors match a static route is present, both firewall policies exist, NAT is disabled, and the tunnel shows as up. Here's a one-page runbook for quick reference. It includes the full Phase 1 and Phase 2 configuration commands to establish your VPN tunnel efficiently. Now the policies and routing. For verification, use commands such as get VPN IPsec tunnel summary, diagnose VPN tunnel list, and debug commands. Also, review your static route and firewall policies to confirm the VPN is functioning as expected.